Today we will discuss the meaning of aggregate supply and what are the components of aggregate supply. So let's start first with the meaning of aggregate supply. So students, here you can see the definition that aggregate supply is the value of all final goods and services that are produced that all the producers are planning to supply over a period of time. That means वो सारे goods and services जो producers plan कर रहे हैं supply करने का एक particular period of time के अंदर, that is known as aggregate supply. एक इकोनॉमी के अंदर जितने भी प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं जो गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्लान कर रहे हैं कि हाँ हम ये गुड्स और सर्विसेज सप्लाई करेंगे एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में, सो दैट सप्लाई ऑफ टोटल goods and services that is known as aggregate supply. So we can say that your aggregate supply is equals to national income. अब aggregate supply is equals to national income how? कैसे होगा aggregate supply national income के equivalent? देखो हमने ऑलरेडी नेशनल इनकम में पढ़ा हुआ है दैट नेशनल इनकम में वी हैव थ्री मेथड्स ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग नेशनल इनकम. तो जो फर्स्ट मेथड होता है दैट इज द वैल्यू आउटपुट मेथड. उसमें हम नेशनल इनकम कैसे निकालते हैं? वी जस्ट सम अप द फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. जितना भी हमारी इकोनॉमी के अंदर प्रोडक्शन हुआ है गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को वो हम क्या कर देते हैं टोटल कर देते हैं. और एग्रीगेट सप्लाई भी क्या है? एग्रीगेट सप्लाई इज ऑल्सो द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. दैट्स वाई एग्रीगेट सप्लाई इज इक्वल्स टू योर national income. Next thing, aggregate supply is equals to y is equals to as. That's why y is equals to as. ठीक है, aggregate supply is equals to the output produced by an economy and that's why it is equals to your national income. अब यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है पूरा that how it is equivalent. तो लिखा है that output produced in an economy is equals to the income generated. That means एक इकोनॉमी में जितना आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस हुआ है सो दैट मीन्स उतनी ही इनकम क्या हुई है आपकी इकोनॉमी में जनरेट हुई है. एंड एग्रीगेट डिमांड इज इक्वल्स टू द वैल्यू ऑफ फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज which is equals to the national income of an economy. So I guess this much is clear that aggregate supply is the value of final goods and services and your aggregate supply is equals to the national income. Now let's see the components of aggregate supply. So basically your Y or I can say your AS is equals to consumption plus savings. So अगर मैं Y लिखूं या AS लिखूं दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. So your Y is equals to your consumptions plus savings. Obviously अगर हमारे पास 100 रुपीज अर्न कर रहे हैं, इफ टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम 100 रुपीज अर्न हो रहे हैं तो उसमें से अगर 50 का कंजम्पशन है तो 50 वुड बी सेविंग्स ओनली ना. अब 50 को हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम फेंक तो देंगे नहीं उन पैसों को, वी विल डू सेविंग्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई नेशनल इनकम इज इक्वल्स टू योर कंजम्पशन प्लस सेविंग्स. Okay, now the components of aggregate supply. The first one is consumption and the second one is. The next move on to the aggregate supply schedule and graph. Now the schedule is like this. You can see we have national income, then we have consumption and then we have savings, and the sum of consumption and savings is aggregate supply. At initial level we have already discussed that your savings will be negative, and as your level of income increases your savings also increases. And if I compare it with consumption, even at zero level of income there is certain consumption, right? जो हम पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं that it is autonomous consumption which is done at zero level of income. But जैसे जैसे your income is increasing your consumption is also increasing. So we can say that national income has positive relation both with consumption and savings. So अगर आप AS देखोगे, that AS is also increasing, right? And you can see here that your Y is equals to AS. देख लीजिए, you can see it here also numerically if we do it. So we can just find out that the national income is equals to AS. So we can plot this. और जब हम plot करेंगे, you can see that your AS curve is the upward sloping graph, right? It's an upward sloping graph. Why it is upward sloping? Because it has positive relationship, right? As your income increases, your consumption and savings both will increase. That's why your AS will also increase. So you can see here, it is written over there that the slope of the AS curve is positive. As the level of income increases, aggregate supply also increases, right? So I hope this much is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can just write that in the comment section. Fine. Thank you for today.